XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about XRP. Guys, once again I'm talking about XRP price prediction. What's the prediction of XRP? What's the future move of XRP? We discuss in this video, and absolutely we are also doing a technical analysis for a short time. So let's start the video, guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. Guys, first of all, if we talk about the currently price of XRP in the market, so as you can see here, 1.1 USD dollar. That is the current price of XRP in the market. Furthermore, if we talk about on the other side, the changes update of XRP. So as I told you guys in my previous videos, as I predicated in my previous videos, so absolutely guys, now my prediction is going 100% right about XRP. I told you in my previous videos, guys, that in the last week of October, there is higher possibilities that the price of XRP will pump. So now obviously, as you can see here, that is the last 1 hour update of XRP, and now the price start pumping, guys. So I believe that XRP will continue this pump for a long time. You can see here, guys, that is last 60-minute update. Now XRP start pumping, guys. So very congratulations to all XRP holders. And guys, my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for all XRP holders is that guys, it's time to hold. You know what, I believe that you have to hold to the last of October, because the huge move of XRP is coming soon. Never miss this profit opportunity, guys. That's unbelievable profit opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos.